Hey guys, thanks to all my viewers. Today I'm very excited because I got my laptop access from my office. Actually, 2 days back I selected in Capgemini. Today I got my new laptop from DTDC. So let's unbox it and see what all the assets is there inside the boxing. So let's going one by one. Let's take the scissor and let's open it. So hey guys, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my video more and more and share your amongst the friends and try to reach more than 2000 subscribers on my channel. So once it will reach 2000 subscribers, basically I'm going to help you how to get the job in like TCS, Capgemini, Wipro, so etc. All kind of MNC. Basically I am going to help you, and also I will share you the tutorials so that it will help you to reach to catch the job in multinational level of the company. Thanks.